Good morning, students. Welcome all of you for this value education class. We continue the same chapter, chapter 9, training and education. Yes, my dear students, here is a beautiful, inspiring story about a girl, Janet, who finds her voice. Once upon a time, she was not able to speak properly. She was very poor, unable to communicate. But because of her hard work, she finds her voice. Okay, so Miss Janet D'Souza, speaking and literary skills became so poor. So Miss Janet D'Souza's her speaking and literary skills. Literary skills means she was very poor in reading and writing. Okay, from her childhood, that she even struggled to communicate with others in everyday situations, because she was not able to speak properly, neither recognize the letters. So she was poor in reading and writing and unable to communicate with others. At the age of 6, Janet was separated from her family. At the age of 6, she was separated from her family and sent to a Catholic orphanage. Okay, where she was abused and was only encouraged to use her voice for prayer, because in the orphanage there will be many children, people. Okay, so she was abused there by others and she was encouraged to use her voice only for prayer. As time passed, Janet became determined to regain her speech, and time passed. During the course of time, somehow she felt that she should improve her voice, okay, regain her speech. One of her friends suggested to join some vocational education and training institute. So one of her friends told her to join some vocational education and training institute. On her friend's suggestion, Janet enrolled in certificate 3rd in general education at an institute. Because of her friend's suggestion, she enrolled in that institution and she got certificate in that institution. She toiled very hard. So Janet was a very hard working girl. She toiled very hard, worked very hard. She educated herself with teaching skills. Because of her hard work, she was able to read and write. Then she participated in rigorous training for studying literacy and numeracy. Because of her interest in studies, she participated in rigorous training. Rigorous means strict training to learn literacy and numeracy. Owing to her efforts, she was awarded the institute's silver medal. So in that, she was awarded with silver medal. As she became skilled in speaking, time changed for her. Now she was able to speak, able to give speech. So time changed for her. She was even invited to deliver lectures at various mediums. various institutions. She was invited to deliver lectures. Once Janet said, I read my submission at a forum. I read my submission. She used to read her presentation. Okay, presentation on various topics. So she used to read her presentation in various assembly, various places through tears. I speak eloquently, and in that assembly she used to speak fluently. Eloquently means fluently. Now, but it is still the voice of a 9-year-old girl who can finally tell someone what's happening to her. Once upon a time how she was and now how she became because of her interest and hard work. Janet now studies computer skills at a renowned institution, well-known, famous institution, using email and internet to further her advocacy work. So that shows the interest and the hard work of Janet. She trained and educated herself. So my dear students, I kindly request you to read this story. So education and training that will equip you to perform better in life. Training is always quite hard. You need to persevere by controlling your emotions. When you toil very hard, you receive the fruits of your hard work. When you work hard, you receive the fruits of your hard work, and that is sweet. So training is an education tool. It gives knowledge as a rule. It should be done with care. To take it lightly, do not dare. If you want skill to be gaining, you need to concentrate on training. So my dear students, that's all for today. Thank you. God bless you.